Mandu is known not only for its engineering skills in water management and archaeological talent, but also for the immense love that Baz Bahadur had for his villa. Rani Roopmati, Malik Bayezid, after the death of his father Shujat Khan, became the Sultan of Malwa and was known as Baz Bahadur. He was skilled in swordsmanship and was a proficient musician. He had mastery over the Rag Deepak. It is said that when he sang Rag Deepak, the earthen lamps used to light up without any human effort. After losing a battle with Rani Durgavati of Gondwana, he settled in Mandu and immersed himself in music completely. Awe of Mandu swayed with the music of Baz Bahadur and Rani Roopmati. Baz Bahadur Palace stands witness to the soul-stirring music of Baz Bahadur and his queen Rani Roopmati and the enchanting episodes of their love. An architectural marvel, Baz Bahadur Palace was constructed on the slope beneath the Roopmati pavilion by Nasir-ud-Din Khilji in 1508. There are 40 steps that lead to the arched main gate of the palace. After entering, the first thing that you see are rooms for the guard. From here the path leads to an outer courtyard which has big and small rooms on all four sides and a big pool in the center. There is a beautiful baradri, a pavilion with 12 doors of poles on its northern end. The eastern and western sides are alike with square rooms. The southern side also has two rooms, the doors of which lead to another courtyard behind them. Similar to the first courtyard, this one also has big and small rooms that were possibly made for the attendant. There are stairs built along the walls to separate this area from the main premises. There are two beautiful umbrella-shaped structures on the palace's terrace from where you get a captivating view of Mandev's valley. According to the local lore, the palace had a marvelous acoustic system whereby a person standing in a specific location in the premises could be heard in the inner room. The water management of this palace is as amazing as the one in Roopmati Palace. There goes a legend that Akbar's General Adam Khan set his eyes on the lovely Rani Roopmati and wanted her to be a part of his harem. When Rani Roopmati came to know about the evil intention of Adam Khan, she ended her life by swallowing a diamond. This event is said to have taken place in this very palace. If you liked the video, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. See you soon with an interesting episode.